What is up, guys? It is your favorite PokeMaster, otherwise known as Reaver here, and today we have another pack of evolutions and a Fates Collide Blister pack. We're gonna start here. My roommate got these for my birthday because my roommate is an awesome roommate of awesomeness. Put hashtag awesome roommate down in the comments below. You know how we do. You know how we do on this channel. You know what's up. Oh, Hollow Ghastly promo. That's awesome. And a Fennekin coin. Alright. Let's see if we get anything from Fates Collide. You ready, guys? I'm ready. I'm ready. There you go. One, two. Alrighty. Here we go. We got Diglett, Spoink, Riolu, Solosis, Fennekin, like the coin, Bent Spoon, Dugong, Energy Pouch, Reverse Hollow Zygarde, and a normal Exploud. Now for the piece de resistance, the Evolutions pack, which is by far my favorite series in the XY series to date. And it's the last. Which is heartbreaking. But everything has to come to an end sooner or later. So I'm okay with it. Because I have no choice but to be okay with it. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And now, here we go. Drowsy.
Diglett dig, Diglett dig. Charmander, char.
Seal.
Magnemite.
Machoke. Double colorless energy. Charizard Spirit Link. Reverse Hollow Super Potion. And a normal Arcanine. I'm actually not annoyed that I didn't pull anything because I love the base set reprint cards. I really do. So even though there wasn't any ultra rares or holo rares, I am good with that opening. Because I love those cards. But anyway, moving on. If you like this video, slap that like button down below. Leave a comment telling me what you thought, and the hashtag awesome roommates. And subscribe for more openings, because there's always going to be more, guys. PokeMaster Reaver out.